Students, we have discussed about the presentation strategies and oral communication. First topic was strategies of effective presentation, which we have discussed already about the purpose of the presentation. Now, second topic is analyzing the audience. That's very important that if you are going to give your presentation, so first of all, you should understand about your audience. Why? Because audience is the most important part of your presentation, and if you don't know which kind of audience is coming for your presentation, at that time you can't convey your presentation properly. Why? Because the effects what you are thinking in your mind after your presentation, you will not get according to your expectations. So that's why it is very important that you should understand which kind of audience is coming to listen you as your audience. We have some ways through which we can develop audience profile. First is identify the primary audience. First of all, it is very important that which kind of audience coming. You should understand that primary audience here means the people who are coming, how much they are authoritative, means what is the importance of their uh, suggestions, what is the importance of their uh, sharing of ideas. So that's why according to that you can make your presentation. Second point is determine audience size, means how many audiences coming for listening you. So that's true that if the people who are coming and you know what is the size of your audience, according to that you can maintain each and every facility for the audience. Another point is determine audience composition. Audience composition here means the recognition of their needs and the interest. Means the audience who are coming to listen you, which kind of needs they have, or which kind of interest they have. According to that, you can prepare your presentation. Why? Because when you are preparing according to the audience interest and desire, we can say that, so you can give much more effective presentation in front of the audience. Another point is judge audience level of understanding. Yes, the audience who are coming, according to their understanding level, you should make your language, you should make your points, you should give your references in front of them. Why? Because a level of understanding is very important. If you are giving the language or the references which according to them they are not able to understand, so your presentation is useless for them. So according to their level of understanding you will make your presentation. Another point is project audiences expectation and preference. uh, Actually the audience who are coming, you should understand which kind of expectations they have and what they demand from the presenter. So according to that you can make your presentation and you give your topics, your points according to their expectations. The last point is estimate audience's probable reaction. Means if you are giving your presentation, which kind of reactions you can, which kind of which kind of reactions you can get from your audience, that is also very important. And you should maintain yourself, means mentally you prepare yourself that any kind of reaction you can face at the time of presentation, and you have that kind of ability that you should able to prepare yourself to handle each and every kind of audience or every kind of reactions. So for that sake you should uh, make yourself strong at the time of giving your presentation, and whatever you are discussing with your audience, you should be very confident about the things what you are discussing with your audience. And the audience who are coming and listening you, if you know about their each and every criteria, so that will help you to understand or to convey your presentation properly. So that's why it is very important that you should give your presentation. Before giving your presentation, you should understand about your audience who are coming to listen you. Okay, we will discuss next topic in the another presentation. Till then, bye.